YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, a little sticky out here. I still want y'all to enjoy your day. Enjoy your loved ones. Everybody's kind of locked in right now. Trying to get y'all mind off of what's going on. Hopefully this will help. We're going to hop right into it. But before we do it, y'all know the routine by now, right? Go ahead, hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend, and then go ahead and share this video. As well as, you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead and subscribe. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heated content. So basically, we got a double unboxing today. Got a comparison. Y'all interact with everybody. Y'all leave a comment. Let me know which one you rocking with. So you see the thumbnail by now. Not gonna hold y'all up. Let's get right into it. Size 12 Nike Dunk Low SP coming up white varsity raw, retail for $100 plus tax in your neck of the woods. And we're doing a double unboxing, or we can say a comparison of which colorway you like better. And as you can see, Nike Dunk Low SP is coming up white, orange, and blaze. $100 plus tax in your neck of the woods. Let's get these guys out. The box. Get your paper here. I opened this one up already. You got your paper at the bottom. I got this one from Wish ATL. Shout out to Wish. Let's move these bad boys on out. Let's hop right into it. And shout out once again my people out there at Nike. Got this pair from Nike. Let's get the lace bags out too so we can go ahead and get into it. It's one set of laces. And go to the other set. Like I say, make sure y'all leave a comment. Let me know which pair you like. Orange, blue, or leave a comment both. Or if you're gonna stay away from it, you just stayed away from it. Hold this pair up right here. Let's get into this orange. I'm sorry, the blue pair first. It's gonna come right up. You got the blue. Kentucky blue. I did this one on my live video, but I want to do a comparison on this one. Let's get you the inside. You got Nike and blue. Come around the tongue. Focus. There we go. Nike. All the literature in there. Let's pull out the tissue paper. Standard tissue paper. Let's get to this toe box. See the leather on this toe box. I had a 9 earlier. A men's 9. It wasn't, I guess, I didn't like it because I thought the leather was stiff. Now this size 12, the leather's pretty good on here. People don't like when I do this with the shoe. That's how I kind of do my test, and you see how I bounce back. Good quality leather. So I do my little check and come up. Of course, you got the blue here. You got the white. Coming up on the midsole, then the bottom, you got blue. So y'all leave a comment, let me know. Kentucky blue. Or we're gonna hop into these Syracuse. What about the orange? Pretty much the same shoe. The size, the color. Now this one, I take it back. You see the check on this? The leather on this orange check, it sticks out more, and then on this blue. Y'all can kind of see it right now what I'm talking about. The orange looks a little bit more crispier, a little bit more buttery over there. So let's hop into this orange pair. You got the orange laces. Of course, you can swipe it, swipe them out, change the laces. You got the white laces. I might rock the white laces with this one. You got the Nike on the tongue, orange. Again, the bottom, you got orange, midsole white. Coming up in the side panel here, you got the white. Some good leather too. Some good leather on the orange pair versus the blue pair so far. But y'all go ahead, y'all vote, leave a comment. Let me get this light straight. Make sure y'all can see everything. Go ahead and get the other one in here. Once again, that check looks better. You feel me? All right, let's pull this tissue paper out. Once again, let's get to the inside of the shoe. Let's take it out. Y'all know how I get sometimes. Let's go and take it out. Let's see what's going on. Insert. You got the Nike Air on it. See what's going on. Inside. Now, let's go to this leather check again, once again, what we call it that bounce back. Yeesh, that would stay down pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So y'all leave a comment, let me know which pair. Like I said, here go the blue pair real quick. Let's do a test on both of them. Y'all can kind of see what's going on. Some good quality leather, if you ask me. On the orange pair, hopefully showing up. The blue one is like stiffer. This one gives a whole lot better. You see what I'm talking about? So that's why I guess I'm gonna rock with the orange pair. Hopefully that help y'all made up your mind. Let's get it back right. Let's get all the wrinkles out. See, I want to say, man, retro messing up the shoe, man. That's how I just do my little test. That way, kind of let y'all know too as well, man. Trust me. If it's that good bounce back, it's gonna bounce back. Now, I ain't got a problem with the blue pair. It's just that orange is biting me. But like, I want y'all to vote. Leave a comment. Like I say below. You know what I say around here, right? We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. You look, man. Y'all take care of y'all loved ones, man. Y'all be safe, man. Seriously. Let's go.
Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No, Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks.